ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Kitab Shala, a series crafted for talented and ambitious individuals keen on boosting their wisdom and knowledge portfolio. If diving into books feels like a challenge, you are in the right place. Today, I will break down the 7 key lessons from the book The 4 Agreements in under 7 minutes. The 4 Agreements by Don Miguel Ruiz is like a treasure map for a happy life, showing simple ways to find personal freedom. It's a really awesome book that takes ancient thought like wisdom and turns into a guide for everyday living. The author shares 4 super important agreements, kind of like promises we can make to ourselves. These promises are like magical keys that unlock emotional freedom and make our relationship and experiences way more awesome. It's like a friendly handbook saying, hey, follow these cool agreements and your life can become a really fantastic adventure. The book is full of wisdom that's easy to understand, making it feel like a wise friend giving great advice for a happier and more fulfilling journey. Here are 7 amazing lessons from this book. Lesson number 1. Be impeccable with your word. In the 4 agreements, being impeccable with your word is like using your words as magical tools for good. It's all about speaking truthfully and kindly like a superhero of honesty. The author suggests that our words have superpowers. They can build trust and make relationships stronger. It's like saying, let's use our words to spread joy, not gossip or hurt. Being a word wizard means people can rely on what you say, making you a trustworthy friend. So, it's a cool agreement to remember. Speak with love and your words become powerful spells that create good vibes and happy connections. Lesson number 2. Don't take anything personally. In the 4 agreements, not taking things personally is like having a superhero shield for your feelings. It's the idea that what others say or do is more about them and less about you. The author is like a wise friend saying, hey, don't let someone else's stuff become your stuff. It's like understanding that everyone has their own story and sometimes their actions are about their journey. So it's a cool agreement to remember when someone's words or actions feel like a rain cloud. Just let it pass and your sunny mood will stay intact. It's like having an emotional armor, choosing to stay happy and not carry unnecessary baggage from others. Lesson number 3. Don't make assumptions. In the 4 agreements, not making assumptions is like being a detective for good vibes. The author suggests that assuming things without checking can be like a big mix-up. It's like saying, let's avoid misunderstandings by asking questions and being curious. The book teaches that guessing what others think or mean can lead to unnecessary troubles. So, it's like having a cool strategy. Instead of assuming, just ask and clear up any confusion. It's a reminder that open communication is like a superhero power that saves us from unnecessary conflicts and keep relationships strong. Making friends with questions is a smart move for a smoother, drama-free journey. Lesson number 4. Always do your best. In this book, always doing your best is like having a superhero cape for every day. The author says, give it your all, but don't be too hard on yourself. It's like saying, you're already awesome, just do your best in the moment. The book teaches that aiming for personal excellence is way cooler than trying to be perfect. So, it's a reminder that our best might look different each day and that's totally okay. Doing your best is like planting seeds of fulfillment and inner peace, creating a garden of happiness in your everyday adventures. It's a high five to effort and a hug for self-kindness on this journey called life. Lesson number 5. The power of awareness. In this book, the power of awareness is like having a magical mirror for self-discovery. The author says, hey, knowing yourself is key to becoming a superhero of personal growth. It's like paying attention to your thoughts and actions, kind of like being your own detective. The book suggests that understanding why we do things can break free from not so great habits and make us better. So, it's a cool agreement to say, let's be friends with our thoughts, learn from them and become even more awesome. The power of awareness is like turning on a light in a dark room, helping us see our true selves and creating a path for positive transformation on this adventure called life. Lesson number 6. Overcoming limiting beliefs. In the 4 agreements, overcoming limiting beliefs is like breaking free from imaginary chains. The author says, hey, those thoughts holding you back, let's challenge and change them. It's like turning self-doubt into superhero confidence. The book suggests that by admitting and changing those I can't thoughts, you unlock a treasure chest of your awesome potential. So, it's a cool agreement to say, I am not limited, I am limitless. Overcoming limiting beliefs is like giving your dreams wings to fly and shouting, I am free. It's a reminder that you are the author of your own story, and rewriting those limiting chapters can make your adventure way more exciting. Lesson number 7. Embracing forgiveness. In the 4 agreements, embracing forgiveness is like giving your heart a big warm hug. The author says, let go of grudges and make room for peace inside. It's like saying, forgiving is not for them, it's for you. The book teaches that holding on to hurt is like carrying heavy backpacks of sadness, but forgiveness is like setting those bags down. So, it's a cool agreement to say, I forgive not because they deserve it, but because I deserve peace. Embracing forgiveness is like watering a garden of healing, making space for joy and positive vibes to grow in your heart. It's a reminder that the real superhero move is choosing peace over pain on this amazing journey called life. In summary, the 4 agreements is a thought-provoking and transformative book that offers practical wisdom for living a more fulfilling and authentic life. The author teachings provides a timeless framework for achieving emotional freedom, fostering healthier relationships, and cultivating a deeper sense of self-awareness. By implementing these agreements into daily life, readers can experience profound personal growth and find greater happiness and contentment. Think of this book as a treasure chest of knowledge, but here's the twist. It's not just about stuffing your brain. It's about unleashing that wisdom into your life. Books are not just givers, they are transformers. It's not what you take from a book, but what magic books draw out from you. It's time to turn those insights into action. Thank you, and see you in the next video.